Today we're going to take a detailed look at why pairing the CV414 cylinder valve with the LW351 pressure regulator offers so many advantages. So what are the advantages of the LW351 being paired with the CV414? Well, when they're together as one unit, it's a really compact solution that we can offer. However, when it comes time to refueling the hydrogen cylinder, the low torque connection between the regulator and the CV414 is really key because no special tooling is required. There's minimal volume between the two components also, so only a small amount of hydrogen is released when they are disconnected. Because weight is such a factor within this product, it's really important to put the safety features of the product directly into the regulator, whether that's a safety relief valve, a burst disc. We also incorporate a filter, and we can also have ports for transducers in there as well. Also, because the setup is suitable for refueling using our refueling adapter, it minimizes the number of components needed, and therefore you minimize downtime and can get back to what you're doing as quickly as possible.
So the LW351 pressure regulator and the CV414 valve are designed to be seamlessly connected together whilst applying the least amount of torque. This is made possible by the design of the swivel connector at the base of the LW351 alongside the internal female thread on the end of the CV414 valve. When connected together, they form a seamless pair that allows you to connect them whilst the valve is under pressure. And also, a fill port on the side of the LW351 allows for filling the cylinder when a refill is needed without having to disconnect the LW351 from the CV414 valve, which will eventually save the end user a significant amount of time.
As you can see, there's many benefits with using the CV414 and lightweight 351 together as one product. If you'd like to see more information, we have a video available which goes into more depth on each of these products and how they perfectly complement each other.